always university going to take the decision in the interest of our student. Today, I have conducted an emergent academic council meeting and taken a decision to implement the UGC scaling system from the batch of 2022 onwards. Earlier it was from the batch of 2023. Yeah. Actually, I received a letter from the student, different groups, and immediately conducted a Dean's Committee meeting on 23rd September 2024 at 12 p.m. The matter was discussed with the deans of the schools, and all the deans of the schools are agree with the representation given by the different groups. And in the Dean's Committee, we have already taken the one decision, that is, I'm just going to read the complete decision of the Dean's Committee. The controller of examination presented the matter and committee members considered the deliberation on the grading system under various ordinance for the PG student batch 2022-24. And the committee resolved, after the discussion, I'm not going to discuss in detail about what already discussed in the meeting, and the committee finally resolved to accept the proposal of the control of the examination for the benefit of the student to process the result of all the semesters of PG student from the batch 2022-24 as per OC 20, subject to the ratification in the next academic council meeting. After that, some group of students again discussed, it may be possible the academic council is not going to ratify the decision of Dean's Committee. Then nothing, only two things is just difference in the grading system, nothing else. Earlier it was approved by the academic council under A, B, C, D, E, F grade, but in new under the OC 7, but in new group under OC 20, the letter grade is divided, but minor difference is there, nothing else. O, then A plus, earlier it was only A, but in UGC or ordinance of the university OC 20, that is at par with the UGC decision. A plus, then A, then B plus, then B, then C, P and F. So minor difference is there. Going to change only the letter grade, nothing else. Rest of the thing will be the same.